How to add Amazon affiliate link on YouTube. Follow these steps. Sign up for the Amazon Associates program. Search for a product you want to promote on Amazon. Use the Amazon Associates dashboard or SiteStripe to generate an affiliate link. Copy the generated affiliate link. Go to your YouTube studio and select the video you want to add the link to. Paste the affiliate link in the video description with a short call to action. Optionally, add the link in a pinned comment for better visibility. If eligible, use YouTube cards or end screens to add clickable links. Include a disclosure stating it's an affiliate link to comply with FTC guidelines. Track your earnings in your Amazon Associates account. Thanks for watching.